Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about multi-role fighter jets in the world right now, the JF-17 Thunder. A sleek, deadly aircraft that's taken to the skies with purpose and precision. But this jet isn't just about looks, it's about strategy, power, and the future of air combat. The JF-17 Thunder is a joint project between Pakistan and China. It's designed to be a lightweight, versatile, and cost-effective fighter jet, capable of handling both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. This isn't some expensive luxury piece of military hardware, it's a serious warplane built to perform, adapt, and win in multiple combat scenarios. While many jets are built for show or status, the JF-17 was built for action. It's officially known as the Chengdu FC-1 Xiaolong in China and the JF-17 Thunder in Pakistan. The development journey began in the 1990s, and after years of planning and design collaboration, the first prototype flew in 2003. By 2007, the JF-17 was officially inducted into the Pakistan Air Force. Let's talk performance. The Thunder is powered by a single Russian Klimov RD-93 turbofan engine, a reliable and battle-proven power plant that gives the aircraft a maximum speed of around Mach 1.6, that's over 1,900 km per hour. The aircraft can reach an altitude of 55,000 feet and has a combat radius of roughly 1,200 kilometers. That gives it the range it needs to engage targets far beyond the front line and return safely to base. In terms of agility, the JF-17 is no slouch. Its aerodynamic design and digital fly-by-wire control system make it nimble, capable of quick maneuvers in close-range dogfights. The cockpit is fully modernized, with a glass cockpit layout that includes a wide-angle head-up display and multifunctional color displays. It's designed to reduce pilot workload and improve situational awareness during high-stress combat operations. Now, let's look at weapons. The JF-17 is a multi-role platform, meaning it can perform a wide variety of missions. It can carry air-to-air missiles like the PL-5, PL-9, and PL-12, giving it the ability to engage enemy aircraft both within visual range and beyond. On the ground attack side, it can deploy laser-guided bombs, general-purpose bombs, anti-ship missiles, and even cruise missiles. The aircraft has 7 hardpoints, 1 on the fuselage and 3 under each wing, allowing it to carry a diverse payload. The Thunder is equipped with a built-in 23mm twin-barrel cannon for close-range air combat and strafing ground targets. With modern targeting pods and precision-guided munitions, the JF-17 can strike with accuracy and power, even in challenging battlefield environments. In 2015, Pakistan began deploying the improved Block 2 variant of the JF-17, which added aerial refueling capability, improved radar and avionics, and data link systems that enable better coordination with other aircraft and command centers. Then came the real leap, the Block 3. The JF-17 Block 3 variant includes major upgrades, an active electronically scanned array AESA radar for enhanced target tracking and engagement, helmet-mounted display systems, and even infrared search and track IRST capabilities. This puts the Thunder close to 4.5 generation capabilities, giving it a major edge over many legacy fighters in the region. The JF-17's affordability is a game changer. With an estimated unit cost of around 25 to 32 million, it's significantly cheaper than Western fighters like the F-16, Rafale, or the Eurofighter Typhoon. That makes it attractive for developing nations looking for high capability without the high price tag. Nigeria and Myanmar have already inducted the JF-17 into their air forces, and several other countries have shown interest. The Thunder has already seen combat. It played a role in Pakistan's Operation Swift Retort in 2019, when tensions between India and Pakistan escalated. Although both sides gave different accounts of what happened, the JF-17 was used in real combat missions and reportedly dropped precision bombs on designated targets, showcasing its operational readiness. Beyond combat, the JF-17 is a symbol of national pride for Pakistan. For decades, Pakistan relied heavily on foreign suppliers for its defense needs. But with the JF-17, Pakistan has stepped into the role of producer and exporter. The aircraft is assembled at the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex in Kamra, where local engineers are actively involved in manufacturing, upgrades, and testing. This means Pakistan has greater control over its Air Force fleet, from maintenance to modernization. The JF-17 program also serves as a stepping stone for future development. With each new block, the aircraft evolves, adding new technologies and adapting to the rapidly changing nature of modern warfare. There's already talk of future variants with stealth coatings, improved engines, and more advanced electronic warfare capabilities. Critics argue that the JF-17 doesn't match up to the latest fifth-generation jets, and that's true. It's not stealthy like the F-35 or as fast as the Su-35. But that's not its mission. The JF-17 is about delivering solid performance where it counts, providing reliable air power for countries that want independence, flexibility, and value for money. It's a workhorse, not a showroom trophy. What's even more impressive is the strategic message the JF-17 sends. It represents a successful collaboration between China and Pakistan in the defense sector. It proves that countries can break away from traditional suppliers and still field competitive military hardware. And as more nations seek to diversify their defense partnerships, the JF-17 could play an even bigger role on the world stage. As we move into an era where aerial dominance is no longer just about who has the biggest or most expensive jets, aircraft like the JF-17 Thunder are redefining the battlefield. They offer smart, agile, and cost-effective options for modern air forces. Whether in a defensive posture or in active combat roles, the JF-17 has shown that it's more than ready for the challenges ahead. That's the story of the JF-17 Thunder, a fighter jet built for real-world missions, flying with confidence across the skies of South Asia and beyond. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to learn more about military technology, aviation, and global defense developments, stay tuned for more.